Welcome to a little activity I call Wandering Wisdom. I use a little circle template or anything round to trace some circles randomly on the paper. Some overlap and some are standing on their own. However, you intuitively have a sense of placement. Then we begin to squiggle lines all around. Try and allow it to intuitively unfold. This is a little faster than I would normally draw it. This is double time for the sake of this video. Take your time, draw to the music, and then after you have circles and lines randomly on the paper, feel free to choose a few colors, or maybe one or two is fine for you, and begin coloring in sections. This part is totally up to you how long you sit in one sitting. You can remain as long as the song lasts. You can plan a daily or weekly activity for coming back to this sheet and maybe take a month to complete it. There's no right or wrong way to experience this. This is simply an invitation to take a few minutes or longer to listen to some relaxing music, connect with your breath, relax into letting go of the outcome, and simply taking some time with color and line. At the end of this video, I have a few words about this experience that you may want to hold on and listen to. Or you can move to the complementary video for this tutorial and follow along to the music and the drawing and coloring that I share with you so that we can do this activity together. I don't know about you, but I feel a little bit more relaxed. One of my favorite activities is doodle and color. No outcome. Well, you have a sheet at the end or maybe even at the middle. But the outcome is so much less important than how we feel right now. So my suggestion to you is to possibly finish this on your own time. Maybe small snippets in your day where you can put on some non-lyric music and start to begin to think of this as precious time. Notice any moments during this coloring activity when you might have started to think it was a waste of time. It's possible. Many people feel that way about this particular activity. And that's sort of ingrained in us. But think for a moment about the benefits of breathing, taking a moment with color, and just letting go of the outcome. Notice how you feel afterwards. And this is a practice, so possibly consider being curious about this as an ongoing practice. And notice how you feel the third, the fourth, the fifth time, and see if there's any progress. The goal is really to feel differently from beginning to end, to go from maybe chaos to calm, maybe unfocused to more focused, maybe stressed to a little less stressed, maybe more than a little less stressed. So if we let go of the expectation and just get a little curious about how this might be beneficial to you or someone that you're working with, that would be my recommendation. This has benefited hundreds of people that I've worked with over the years, and I've been using this for several decades. Enjoy.